In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change starting location on Waze step by step. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're doing it right now on your screen. Go ahead and open the Waze app. Once it loads up, give it a second until you're on the main map view and everything looks ready. Now tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This is the same place you normally use to look up directions. Go ahead and type in the destination you're searching for. As you start typing, Waze will show suggestions underneath, so just tap on the correct one when it appears. When you select it, you'll see the location show up on the map, along with some options. At this point, don't start navigation yet. Look over on the right side of the screen and tap on the option that says More. This opens up additional actions you can take for this destination, and this is where the starting location option is hidden. Once the More menu opens, look for the option that says Set as Start Point and tap on it. As soon as you tap that, Waze will treat this location as your starting point instead of using your current GPS location. There's no confirmation screen or extra button to press, it switches right away. After setting it as the start point, you'll notice Waze updates the route preview based on that new starting location. This is really useful if you're planning a trip ahead of time, checking traffic from another area, or figuring out how long a drive would take starting somewhere else. You're basically telling Waze, pretend I'm starting from here. You can now stay on this screen and look at the route details, estimated travel time, and directions based on that starting point. Waze will calculate everything as if you're already at that location, even though you're not physically there. This feature is especially helpful if you're planning tomorrow's drive, helping someone else with directions, or comparing routes between two places that aren't your current location. Instead of guessing, you get an accurate preview straight from Waze. If at any point you want to change the starting point again, you can repeat the same process. Just search for another location, tap More, and set that as the start point instead. Waze will keep updating the route preview based on whatever start point you choose, and if you ever want Waze to go back to using your real location, you can simply cancel the route or start a new search normally. Waze will automatically default back to your current GPS position when you're not using a custom start point. One thing to keep in mind is that this works best for planning and previewing routes. If you try to start navigation while your actual location doesn't match the start point, Waze may reroute once it detects where you really are. That's normal behavior and it just means Waze is adjusting back to real-time driving. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze, tap the search bar, search for your destination, tap More on the right side, and choose Set as Start Point. And that's it. That's how you change the starting location on Waze using your iPhone. It's a simple feature once you know where to find it, and it's incredibly handy for planning trips, checking routes, or getting directions from a different starting point without actually being there.